my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be telling you everything about how to style and how to pick clothes from Sarojini Nagar so that you look expensive and it doesn't look that you got them from Sarojini Nagar. So let's begin. Firstly, look for basics. That means opt for neutrals. Even if you're shopping at H&M or Forever 21 or Only or wherever you are, just go ahead and buy neutral tones that are white, black, beige, cream, pink, pastel pink, blush pink. As these colors tend to look more luxurious than the normals. I know you're wondering if you can wear bright colored clothes and then look expensive. I'll come to that part later because you need to team your outfit with the right accessories in order to look high end. And also you need to know that less is more. Neutrals are really easy to style and you can dress them up and dress them down according to the occasion or situation. So moving on to the second tip. If you see a print, dress, t-shirt or whatever it is more than once in Sarojini Nagar, do not buy it. I repeat, do not buy it. Example, there were t-shirts like Superman, New York, like NY t-shirts. Right now there are Levi's t-shirts and also fur slides with pearls that typically look like that you bought them from Sarojini. So try and avoid investing in such stuffs. So next up we have the third point, which is invest in timeless and structural pieces such as white shirt, a white t-shirt, a blazer, denim jacket, turtlenecks. And I would suggest you to buy the blazer and a white shirt from a really nice shop rather than buying them from Sarojini Nagar. But you can get your hands on really cool denim jackets and t-shirts in Sarojini Nagar, so watch out for that. Next up we have the fourth tip, which is the struggle of removing the really awful smell from the Sarojini clothes, because they look like they've used and maybe they are, but you never know, right? So if you buy clothes from Sarojini Nagar and you're struggling to remove the smell from the armpit area or wherever it is, then do try this trick out. You need to take white vinegar with a little bit of water and spray it on and then throw it into the washer. And you'll be good to go, and I'm pretty sure I have tried this myself, so I'm pretty sure it will take care of the smell and you'll have a brand new t-shirt kind of after the wash. So next we have the fifth point, which is you need to know your style. It is necessary to know your style before you end up buying random unwanted stuff from Sarojini Nagar, and which is basically knowing what you're going to buy. My style is really casual and tomboyish, so I tend to go for more t-shirts and denim jackets because that's how I like my closet to be. Like, I really like pieces that I can just grab and run out of the door. Whereas a more girly girl tend to splurge on dresses, maxi dresses and dressier tops. But remember, always and always invest in neutral pieces, as I've mentioned previously. Moving on to the fifth or maybe the sixth point, I lost count. So the sixth point is, if it fits good, it looks good. And whatever you buy from Sarojini Nagar, just make sure you get it altered and it's gonna look amazing on you. Next up we have the seventh point, which is go monochrome. If you have nothing to wear or if you wish to wear monochrome, then just go for monochrome because they tend to look more expensive and more dressier as a whole. So the next point is go monochrome. You can go monochrome whenever you want. I do that all the time, and it's because it makes your whole outfit look really nice, luxurious and expensive. And also if paired with right statement piece, it is actually gonna make you look really nice and pretty. So when in doubt, go monochrome. Next up we have the eighth point, which is a styling tip, and it's, I guess, really understood that you need to tuck your t-shirt, shirt or whatever blouse you're wearing in so that it makes you look more put together and it makes your outfit more polished and looks really nice. For the ninth tip, we have roll it up. I know that sounds funny, but rolling up your sleeves or your jeans is going to make your outfit look chic, dressier and more put together, and just look at the difference yourself. For the 10th point, we have use the right accessory. I cannot stress this enough. I mean, accessory is something that makes your outfit go from bam to bam. Actually, blue to blam. If that makes any sense. So Even in accessories, minimalism is the key. Try opting for more dainty jewelry because they tend to look more luxurious, and also dress according to the situation or the occasion. Like if you're going to your college, then try dressing up casual and comfortable. So the 11th point is pair or layer your outfit with more luxurious fabrics, and this adds a little bit of drama to your outfit and makes it more dressier and put together. And also, as usually, I know I've been using this word a lot, but it makes your outfit look luxurious because that's what the video is about. So the 12th point is a styling tip, which is to match your shoes with your purse, and it as a whole makes your outfit look more cohesive and also very chic, especially when paired with a monochrome outfit. And trust me, it will look like you put an effort to look like that, but you just didn't. You just wore a monochrome outfit and matched your accessories, which is really nice, and this can be done to any outfit of yours and it will look really amazing. So next up we have the 13th point, I guess, which is really cliche but grooming. In the beginning, I used to think कि इतना time किसके पास होता है, कौन अपने nail paint लगाएगा and all of that. But now I've started to do all of that, and I have seen a difference. Like it actually tells a lot about your personality if your nails are not chipped and are really nicely painted, or your hair is combed and your eyebrows are done. Like these small details go a long way, such as you should have a signature scent. It doesn't have to be a really expensive one. It actually gives a really nice impression, and to smell good is always to feel good. Also, your outfits need to be well ironed, and that is something that I lack on because I always end up with a crumbled t-shirt or a shirt because I'm really clumsy. But you should have a really nice ironed outfit because again, it looks like you put in a lot of effort in your outfit. And moreover, just do whatever you feel like. Do your makeup, comb your hair, dress whatever you feel like, and just be confident. And this is something that each and every blogger or YouTuber say in their video, but you need to be confident. Like even if I'm wearing a torn shirt, I am confident, and this is something that I got from Sarojini for 20 rupees, and you know why I got it for 20 rupees, because of this hole. So I'm wearing it 20. And this is something that leads me to my next point, which is to buy really nice different fabrics from Sarojini. Fabrics in the sense, like this is not cotton, this is I don't know which stuff, but it's different from the usual. So silk, satin, stuff like these tend to look really luxurious, and colors like these also, like this color or navy blue colors, they have a really nice chic look to them whenever worn. So try opting for those, and again, be confident in whatever you wear and however you look. Even if you have a really bad hair day, just tie your hair up in a bun, do your makeup nicely, or if you're lazy, just apply concealer, do your eyebrows or whatever you feel like, and just rock it. So if all of these points doesn't help you, then make sure you get some inspiration from all the YouTubers, bloggers or the celebrities, because they've got your back. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And also do let me know if you want me to share more of the Sarojini tips with you guys, and I would love to do that. And I guess that's it. I'll take your leave and bye. A styling tip, which is to shoes. ऐसा नहीं होता